night. This is B3 of B3 Productions, recording for Hunchback Entertainment. Yeah, just recording a short story here. Sorry it took me so long to get this to you, but now I got time to do it, so I'm doing it. I'm going to give you 2 takes, and you can just use whichever one you think is best. Alright, here we go. The identity of Gibberish remains a mystery to this day. Whew. Alright, let's take 1, but I think I can do better. Okay, I practiced this enough times, I should be able to do better. Alright, here we go. Just about everyone knows about John Wayne Gacy. The identity of Gibberish remains a mystery to this day. Okay, I think I'm going to do one more because I thought I heard someone in the stairs behind me in the mic, so we're going to go one more time. I can also hear my turtle. Okay, one more go. Here we are. Okay. Just about everyone knows about John Wayne Gacy, the infamous serial killer who often dressed as a clown when committing murder. Gacy claimed the lives of at least 33 people, mostly children, and buried the bodies in a crawl space under his home. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with this. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh man, I feel like my friend Matthew. He always farts while we're making the Slender happening. Okay. I'm all good. Just about everyone knows about John Wayne Gacy. The identity of Gibberish remains a mystery to this day. Okay, well, I feel that should be enough. Yeah, so there you go. Feel free to use whichever one you want, or you can mix and match them, you know. Take like the first 2 paragraphs out of one, and then the last 2 out of the next one. I don't know. How many are there? 5 paragraphs? Yeah. So you can mix and match, you know. You're the editor. You're the boss man. Do whatever you want. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for the opportunity. Yeah, can't wait to see the video. Loving all the work you do. So, thank you very much. And, guess I will see you later.